Hey, what's going on, everyone? Continuing our leads reports here inside of AgencyZoom. So I've already got this funnel by lead source pulled up. We've previously looked at this funnel by producer. It's the same thing as like the conversions. It'll be the same thing as the activities as well. Kind of gives you a different way to look at the same numbers. I can come up here into the filters, and if I want to see specific producers or producer teams, I can do that. And then, but the matrix over here that I'm looking at is going to be lead source, how many of them are coming into whichever pipeline I'm at, and then which stage they're going to. So if I just want to change this 2024 personal, I'm seeing these call-ins. I've got two of them. Contacting 50, obviously that's going to be a little bit funky, just again with this dummy data here, but I'm quoting 100% of the ones that I'm talking to, and then it'll tell me how many of them I'm selling, how many of them I'm smart cycling, and how many of them are just dead leads. And again, since I can filter this by total lead count versus percentage, if I want the total leads and I want, let's just say I'll pick on me here, it'll show me how many of them I've got by lead source. So if I'm taking a bunch of call-ins or some Google ads or some Facebook ads or whatever, it'll show that on this matrix down here. I'm just going to go ahead and keep it on the team just so we can see everything here. So again, another very helpful report that you can kind of use to see which of your lead sources are helping you pay the bills and which ones are just becoming more of a time and a money suck than anything. So you can get an idea on which ones to keep and which ones to get rid of.